The zucchini and potato pie would make a great Sunday breakfast with the family. Its big portion serving makes it very shareable so everyone can get a delicious piece. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a pot, add the potatoes and cook in boiling salted water for 2 minutes. Drain the potatoes and transfer to a mixing bowl. Add in the unsalted butter, beaten eggs, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, zucchini, dried oregano, red onions, salt, ground black pepper, and heavy cream. Fold to combine. Then, grease a baking casserole with butter and fill it with a potato mixture. Smooth out the top and sprinkle over the breadcrumbs and unsalted butter. Bake for 30 minutes until the pie is puffed and golden. Garnish with chopped parsley and serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.